That's a real-time nudge of a type that's useful. Okay? And this is only available if I wait and take the second bus and avoid the first bus. And I don't have to. I can go into the first bus. We squeeze it. Okay. So that's what I mean. And then, so there's a social network that we've seen whose effect we've seen already a little bit of. And then there's real-time analytics you can get back. But I know this is a big data series, and we have actually been cranking away any of this stuff. And I will show you some of the effects. But this is actually where it's quite interesting to see if we can mine that data from all these trips that everybody makes, and see if we can find how congestion may be addressed or energy consumption may be reduced or other things. I mean, for example, in the wellness project, some people prefer to walk on Tuesday evenings. We have no idea why. There exists a bunch of people that like to walk on Tuesday evenings. And some people are primarily weekend walkers. Okay? And some people only walk with somebody else, typically a spouse or significant other. This is something we could tell just from the data. So if we want to nudge you to walk more, and you're a Tuesday walker, we're better off saying take an extra 10,000 steps on your Tuesday, for example. Okay. And so that's what I mean by mining the data and making recommendations in a suitable way. I'll tell you what this project called CAPRI stands for Congestion and Parking Relief Incentives. And it's been in effect since April last year, sorry. And Stanford has a peculiar problem. From the outside, it looks uncongested, it's like a lot of land, but actually a real problem. Okay. And it looks like this. So there's something called there's a campaign. This is a Stanford shuttle, and every one of them advertises reduced peak hours. There's something called a commute club. And if you join the commute club and forego the obtaining of a parking permit, the university will pay you $300. Okay. The only university that pays people money not to drive it. Okay. And we have exact limits. These are the number of vehicles that we're allowed to have in the morning peak hour coming in or the evening peak hour going out. This is an agreement in Santa Clara County. It's counted every year at the 16 gates, twice a year. And if we are found to be in violation of this, we'll have to pay big fines, millions of dollars, and worse yet, forego new building permits. And that link is that new buildings means new jobs, means more traffic. Okay. And so university does a lot to keep this down, as you know. As I just told you, $300 is paid to you, and then they give you free train and bus passes and stuff. So while this reduces overall traffic, we thought we'd go after peak traffic. So we devised these RFID scanners, just like the fast track system on the West Coast. And you have RFID tags that you can put on your windshield, and then your arrivals and departures from the campus are sensed, and you accrue credits. Okay. And there's a special day for, let's say, Mehul, it's Mondays. On that day, he gets 30 credits or 3 times more credits than on other days for off-peak trips. So this is the incentive version on you don't drive one day of the week. Right? This is on that one day of the week, you get extra credits for driving off-peak. Okay, so that's the program, and here's how, if you look at it, so RFID scans are taken and put into this backend portal, and I can show you how that looks. And so this is what you can get to. All of you can get to this page if you do capri.stanford.edu, and I will log in as an administrator of the system, so it's somebody who can't really win money. But in this account, so this track activity, similar to what you already saw, this is a status meter. Okay. And here's the total amount of money we've paid till now. This is funded by the US DOT. The denominations in which money has gone out is here. The highest denomination we have at Stanford is $50. And so most of the rewards are small denominations. So, and if you look down here, there's New Song who's been winning recently. Sorry. So February 15th, today, 1:18 p.m. someone won $5. Okay. 1:17 someone won $5, etc. So today, just today, between 10 and 29, people have been winning. There are about 2,500 people. You can see your friends, and they're